Right then, another video, Tigra one this time. So we're not trying to promote this as a dark side project anymore because we want shut of it. The main reason for this video is to get rid of the shell, but we have still got the engine as well. We sold the gearbox and all that stuff and the ECU, but we have still got the engine. So there'll be a link in the description to that. I'd like to sell it all complete because it's going to be a pain stripping it down, and it works as it is. So have a look at that. It's a nice setup. So the shell, a lot of people asking what can we do with X, Y, Z. Now, what you see here pretty much is what you're going to get. We might end up taking this wide and loom out and sell it with the engine if somebody wants that, but otherwise, you've got pretty much everything you can see here. The pedal box might have gone, but it might not have gone. But anyway, we decided to get it on the corner weight scale so you can see how light it is. So at the minute, we know rear wheels, it's 400 kilos, which it was 400 kilos exactly, and it's gained half a kilo just sat here. So very, very light. It'll not cause you any problems, whatever engine you put in here, you'll be able to get to whatever weight you need to get to. I don't think there's many shells that have got a cage in and all the panels that would weigh this much, which we could do with putting that back on and weigh it again, but we'll probably do that at the end. It'd be easier doing that. So yeah, the shell, it's still got the fancy brakes on there, the 4-pot Wilwood things, which they're proper drag spec. Still got the rear brakes on there. They're the Hayabusa calipers and the full axle, so it just literally needs a pair of wheels on the back. And then inside, this dry sump tank is actually going to go with the engine, but that can stay if somebody wants it. Like I said, the pedal box might have gone with the linkage and stuff, but we'll see. But basically, everything you can see here, that weren't somebody pooping that lot door. The electronic column, little switch panel and what have you, and all the bits of wiring and stuff in it can just go as it is. We just want rid of it now, it's getting in the way. Carbon fibre roof. All this is fiberglass, it's dusty. Plastic front window. There's probably, we've sold a lot of expensive parts from this, but all the time has gone into this part. So just scrapping it's just not going to happen. If we don't sell it, I think we said a couple of grand, something like that, as it is with the coilovers and everything, then we'll just give it away to somebody. But I'd rather sell it, somebody use it and make the most of it. So look at the engine, share it with everybody who likes Vauxhalls. The shell, just if you've got a Ford and you want a fast drag car, just tell everybody it's a Tigra. Nobody will ever know. Just put a Ford badge on. So, sorry, it's a Puma. Tell them it's a Puma. Nobody will ever know. Just stick the Ford badge on. So, yeah, we want rid. We'll see how much of that clamshell was. 17 kilos.